Alright, I'm going to show you how to use the edit suggestions in the Samsung Gallery app. First, go to the Gallery app and find any photo you want to improve. Once you have the photo open, swipe up on it, and the edit suggestions will show up either underneath the metadata or right along the bottom of the photo. What kind of suggestions you get depends on the photo itself. You might see options to erase reflections and shadows, add background blur, apply a live effect, or use Remaster. Remaster tries to improve resolution, sharpen up details, and optimize color balance and contrast on your photo. You'll get a before and after slider you can drag to compare, and if you like the result, you can either save over the original or save a copy. If your photo has good light and color to begin with, you might not see a huge improvement. But on poor lighting or image quality, the remaster can sometimes make a big difference. Background blur will scan the photo, identify the subject and the background separately, and add a blur effect behind your subject. You also get a slider here to control the blur intensity. Just pick the amount of blur that you like, and again, save the original, or save it as a copy if you want to keep the unedited version too. Let's find another photo, swipe up, and check out the suggestions here. I'll try the reflection eraser on this one. Although on a photo like this, you definitely want the reflection there. And sure enough, it didn't do a great job here. But if you had an unwanted reflection, it's worth a shot. Let's try one more, this rainy picture, and check out what Remaster does here. It does improve the color and contrast a bit, I think. Kinda hard to see the difference, to be honest, but generally speaking, I prefer photo edits to be subtle and natural rather than overdoing it. Anyways, that is how you use the edit suggestions in the Samsung Gallery app. Go ahead and click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all!